Hey, are you trying to start your own online business? If that answer is yes, you are at the right place. Hello, meet Tom. He runs his own online business. But Tom have a problem. He need a custom website for his business. Tom get really happy because he found the solution for his problem. Quack Builder, the easy to use drag and drop website builder. In less than 10 minutes, Tom built his new website. Tom get more visitors, more conversion, more leads and more sales. Tom really loved his website and want the world to see it, so he started to share it on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and more. Tom used the Quack Builder built-in payment processor to collect all the payment on his website. Tom said, "I am so happy. I could never did this without the help of Quack Builder." Click the button below to get started today.